alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I am Sheikh Shifa Sabir, the student of Nice English School. Today, I am honored to speak about one of the most formidable figures in Indian history. A visionary leader, a brilliant military strategist, the Sultan of Mysore, Hyder Ali. His life and achievement played a crucial role in shaping the history of southern India during the 18th century. Starting his career as a soldier, he swiftly rose to prominence through his exceptional military skills and keen strategic insight. His rise from a humble soldier to the Sultan of Mysore is a testament to his exceptional capabilities and leadership qualities. As the Sultan of Mysore, Hyder Ali transformed his state into a very powerful and prosperous state. He modernized the army, incorporating European military techniques and weaponry, which made his forces formidable opponents to the British East Indian Company. आओ झुककर करे सलाम उन्हें जिनके हिस्से ये मुकाम आया है। आओ झुककर करे सलाम उन्हें जिनके हिस्से ये मुकाम आया है। कितने खुश नसीब है वो लोग कितने खुश नसीब है वो लोग जिनका खून वतन के काम आया है। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर लिसनिंग मी। Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A very good morning to everyone. My name is Soumya Sheikh Safizul and I study in Nice English School and I am in 6th standard. यकीन करो या ना करो मगर बात यकीन की है। यकीन करो या ना करो मगर बात यकीन की है। मेरे जिस्म में मिट्टी सिर्फ और सिर्फ इस जमीन की है। Today, we celebrate the spirit of freedom and the sacrifice of brave ancestors who fought for our independence. We honor the wrestlers who shaped our nation and unsung heroes who continue to make India a beacon of hope and diversity. As we mark this special day, let us remember that freedom is not just a privilege but a responsibility. Let us honor in our past and and present a shape a brighter future for ourselves and generation to come. वक्त से लड़कर जो नसीब बदल दे इंसान वही जो अपनी तकदीर बदल दे। वक्त से लड़कर जो नसीब बदल दे इंसान वही अपनी तकदीर बदल दे। कल क्या होगा कभी मत सोचो कल क्या होगा कभी मत सोचो, क्या पता कल वक्त खुद ही तस्वीर बदल दे। थैंक यू टू लिसन माय स्पीच।
ऐसा फारसी में एक शेर है, सोबते साले तुरा साले कुनत, सोबते साले तुरा साले कुनत, सोबते ताले तुरा ताले कुनत। ये जो बच्ची है ना, ये दोस्ती इतने अच्छे बच्चों के साथ में इसने की है कि ये वो ग्रुप चेंज करके तब ग्रुप के अंदर एंट्री की है। तो दोस्ती बहुत ही सोच समझ के करनी चाहिए। यस नेक्स्ट। हाँ, ग्रुप में पहले बता दिया, ये हमारा जो है ना 23 रतन ग्रुप है। बहुत नहीं, हमारा जज जो है ना वो तो माशाल्लाह जज के लिए तो कुछ दुश्वारी नहीं है, लेकिन ग्रुप है टफ।
अक्ल भी खुदा देता है रुतबा भी खुदा देता है कि अक्ल भी खुदा देता है रुतबा भी खुदा देता है। टीचर वो उस्ताद है जो समंदर को भी बढ़ा देता है। अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। I am Khania Fatima Zubair, a student of Nice English School, studying standard 6. Today we honor the incredible roles teachers play in our lives. As though saying, a teacher effect does not a education. Teacher is the one architecture of our success. Teacher is the one profession that make all other profession. Teacher is the one profession that all created with the profession. They lay the foundation for our success. आग की तरह जलते हैं वो टीचर कि आग की तरह जलते हैं वो टीचर जो हमें So can I wait for minutes? I'm so much scared, that's why.
Wait for me. Start from.
So can I do again? Today we honor the incredible roles teachers play in our life. As though saying, a teacher effect does not a education. Teacher is the one creator that make all other creation. Without them, we can't make doctor, engineer, leader, and many more. Behind every successful woman, there is a teacher. Teacher is the one profession that make all other profession. On this Teacher's Day, let us remember, teacher is a on this Teacher's Day, let us remember, without them, we can't make doctor, engineer, leader, and many more. It takes a big heart to shape a little mind. Thank you so much.
Excellent.
Yes.
Excellent. Super. Well
Sorry,
said.
sir, because I can't.
You said very well. Who said you can't say it?
Come,
You
come,
have
come.
done very good.
सर देसी खाते पर कोई देश का देश के बारे
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Sheikh Muntaza, currently in 9th standard. Today, we honor the incredible role teacher play in our lives. As the saying goes, teachers affects identity. He can never tell where his influence will stops. Teachers are more than education. They shape our futures, values, and dreams. Teachers are the architects of our success. Teaching is the one of the profession which create all of the profession. Without them, there are no doctors, engineers, leaders. They lay the foundation of our society and their contributions are immeasurable. Teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself the way for others. Teacher dedicates the time and energy to ensure our success. The medical teacher tells, the good teacher explains, the superior teachers demonstrate, the great teacher inspire. Behind every successful person, there is a teacher. Teacher provided guidance and supports. Guidance and supports needed to overcome challenges and by us through difficulties. On this Teacher's Day, let us remember that it takes a big heart to shape a little mind. We owe our success and to the dedication and passion to all the teachers who have impacted our lives. We extend our deepest gratitude. मुझे लिखना सिखाया और पढ़ने का तरीका बताया कि मुझे लिखना सिखाया पढ़ने का तरीका बताया उस्ताद वो है जिसने मुझे सीधे राह पर चलना सिखाया. थैंक यू.
इससे पहले एक बच्ची ने एक शेर बोली थी, वो थोड़ा करेक्शन की जरूरत थी. अक्ल भी खुदा देता है, रुतबा भी खुदा देता है. अक्ल भी खुदा देता है, रुतबा भी खुदा देता है. उस्ताद वो समंदर है जो दोनों को बढ़ा देता है. इट वॉज लाइक दैट.
चैलेंज भी आज और हमारे काफी अच्छे मेहमान थे. हाँ नहीं बस बाकी बस बैठे हैं.
हमारे बीच में हमारे एक बहुत ही खैरखा अंजुम भाई
हमेशा रहनुमाई करते हैं.
हमारी रहनुमाई करते हैं, चीजें हमें बताते रहते हैं. शुक्रिया अंजुम भाई, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. आज से नहीं, पिछले 10 सालों से अंजुम भाई से मेरा नाता रिश्ता है.
आज मेहमान के तौर पे नहीं,
आज पेरेंट्स के तौर पर. मेहमान होते तो यहाँ पे इनवाइट कर. यस, जो के पेरेंट्स के नाम लिए और उनके बच्चे भी आ रहे हैं. यस, जजेस आपको कुछ इन्फ्लुएंस करने के लिए नहीं बोलेंगे, आप तो जज हो माशाल्लाह. कम, आई हैव वेरी फेथ ऑन माई जज. बहुत ज्यादा मुझे भरोसा है हमारे जज के ऊपर. क्वालिफाइड, वेरी वेल क्वालिफाइड जज.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Sheikh Arij Iqbal Anjum, and I am a student of Nice English School. Today, I stand before you to talk about a topic that is becoming increasingly vital in our ever-evolving world: the importance of having both IQ and EQ. Do you know what is IQ and EQ? Can anybody? Miss? Yes. And what is EQ? Sir? Anybody?
We want explanation from your side. We want explanation from you.
While many of you may be familiar with the concept of IQ, which measures our intellectual abilities, few may know about EQ or emotional intelligence, which involves our capacity to understand and manage our emotions effectively. Today, I want to talk about two key forces that shape our life: intelligent quotient or IQ and emotional quotient or EQ. These aren't just abstract concepts, they are the driving engine of our success and fulfillment in life. Think of IQ as the engine of a powerful car. It fuels our ability to solve problems, think critically, and innovate. A high IQ allows us to quickly learn new things, make informed decisions, and tackle the challenges that come our way. It's what helps us excel in academics and careers, giving us the tools to navigate complex situations with ease. In a sense, IQ is what powers us forward, drive us to achieve, and explore new horizons. But even the most powerful engine needs a good steering system. This is where EQ comes in. Emotional intelligence is like a steering wheel of our life, guide us through the complexities of human emotions and relationships. It's the ability to understand and manage our own emotions while also empathizing with others. High EQ helps us to communicate effectively, resolve conflicts, and build strong, lasting relationships. Now, imagine having a both powerful and a precise steering system. Together, they make you unstoppable. With IQ, you can think critically and solve problems. With EQ, you can connect with others and build strong, lasting relationships. In the end, it's not just about being smart. It's about being wise, empathetic, and understanding. It's about using your intelligence to not only achieve great things, but also to connect with and uplift those around you. When IQ and EQ work in harmony, they drive us towards a life that is not only successful but also deeply fulfilling. Thank you so much for your time. I hope this inspires you to reflect the importance of balancing both IQ and EQ in your journey of your personal growth. Thank you.
आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड कि ये बच्ची एक प्रोग्राम में गई थी थाने में, तो बड़े लेवल का प्रोग्राम था और वहां पे ये स्पीच बोली, तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है। पर्सनली अगर मैं पेरेंट्स के व्यू से देखूं तो मैं ये बोलूंगा कि ये फर्स्ट विनर होना चाहिए। हमने बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम देखे भी है और कई पर हम जज भी बने हैं, हम लोग को भी थोड़ी बहुत ऐसी शहादत मिली है जज बनने की आर्मी में। तो हमने भी ऐसी मतलब समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि इस बच्चे को क्यों नहीं दिया गया था प्राइज मेरे हिसाब से। चलिए हाँ, हिंदी मराठी वॉज नॉट देयर बट देन टू इंडिविजुअल तो जीतना चाहिए थी बच्चे, इंडिविजुअल विनर है वो कम। मैं वहां की बात कर रहा हूँ मिस, यहाँ पे आपको इन्फ्लुएंस नहीं कर रहा। हाँ नहीं थाने हाँ दैट लायन बैक टू पीयू है। यस,
जो अब तक न खोला वो खून नहीं पानी है, जो अब तक न खोला वो खून नहीं पानी है, जो देश के काम ना आए वो बेकार जवानी है। अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। My name is Sayyid Samaira. Today, as we gather under the tricolor fluttering against the azure sky, we are reminded of the immortal words of Jawaharlal Nehru. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. This day, it chat in the annals of history, marks of variation and countless sacrifices. 77 years ago, our great nation broke the shackles of colonial rule and emerged as a sovereign entity, a beacon of hope and a harbinger of peace. World fought with division and discord. Our forefather armed with the mighty of non-violence and the weapon of truth. As we stand on a giant like Subhash Chandra Bose and Mahatma Gandhi, what do you think? Our independence was won in a day? No, through decades of struggle, the blood, the sweat, the tears of our freedom fighters had watered the tree of liberty. Our beloved nation stands as a testament to reliance and university. We have made a colossal stride in various spheres, be it technology, economic, or social reforms. As we chart a new course for India that is pledged to uphold democracy, secularism, and inclusivity, that every citizen, regardless of caste, creed, and gender, can show theirs into the potential. As in conclusion, let us honor our past, celebrate our present, and embrace our future with optimizing vigor and empathy. That aspire to craft an India that not only uphold its founder but also lead the world by example. Thank you.
Yes, next content. Yes.
I am very much sure one day I shall become the most worthy person of the world. But I am very much sure that I won't be able to pay back to all my respected teachers. उस्ताद उस्ताद की मिसाल एक चिराग की तरह होती है। उस्ताद की मिसाल एक चिराग की तरह होती है जो दूसरों को रोशनी देने के लिए खुद को जला देता है। उस्ताद जिंदगी के महंगे सबक सिखा देता है। उस्ताद बादशाह नहीं होता, उस्ताद बादशाह नहीं होता मगर बादशाह बना देता है। अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू। Respected teachers, beloved parents, and all my dear colleagues. Myself, Sheikh Arthimitu, currently in 9th standard from Nice English School. Today is the greatest day of my life. You must be thinking, why is the day so great? You must be wondering what is so special about today. You must be thinking there is no Republic Day or Independence Day. But you are wrong. Today is the real Independence Day. Because today is Teacher's Day. Teacher is the only one who gives us freedom from the social illness, from the social problems, and yes, of course, teacher is the only one who gives us freedom from every discrimination. For me, it is a lifetime achievement to deliver a special speech to express my greatest gratitude to the epitome of strength, I mean to all my passionate, innovative, respected, trustworthy teachers. Dear listeners, learning will never stop. Yes, you heard me right. Learning will never stop and it will happen only due to teachers and one and only teacher. Teacher is the only one who imparts confidence in young minds. Teacher is the one who transmits skills and knowledge in the young legs. Teacher is the one who gives the students a direction towards a successful world. Teacher is the only one who encourages the students to dream and dream big. Teacher is not only a guru, guide, mentor, master or educator, but also a kingmaker. Teaching has always been considered as the most sacred, noble, and exciting profession. Teaching is truly a rewarding experience. That is why our teachers are so special. The world without teachers like an ocean without water. The world without teachers like a sky without clouds. Least but not last, if we will search the whole dictionary to find a particular word to describe, to admire, to gratitude, to praise our teachers, I'm very much sure no one will get that word or phrase to appreciate our teachers. We can only try to make them happy by doing good and great works. In this auspicious and flexitious day, I pray to Almighty Allah, may Allah shower His immense blessing on our teachers. Amen. Thank you so much for paying attention.
अंजुम भाई, एक वाक्य हो गया था। मैं स्पीच की तैयारी कर रहा था तो एक बच्चे ने बोला कि रिमेम्बर द वर्ड्स ऑफ जहीरीले लाल। तो जहीरीले लाल कौन होएगा? जहीरीले लाल के वर्ड्स उसको याद आ रहे थे। व्हेन द वर्ल्ड विल स्लीप इंडिया विल अवेक टुवर्ड्स द फ्रीडम एंड लाइफ एंड ऑल दैट। तो वो जो वर्ड्स है ना, वो वर्ड्स जवाहरलाल नेहरू के। तो बच्चा बोला जहीरीले लाल। नहीं, मैं आपको बिल्कुल नहीं बोलने दूंगा उस्ताद। अंजुम भाई को स्टार्ट कर दिया मैंने।
Honorable Principal, respected teachers, and all dear friends. Today is day of profound significance for me. A day that is greater than any national holiday or celebration. You may be wondering why this day stands out. It's because today is Teachers' Day, a day dedicated to honoring those who liberate us from ignorance and shape our future. Teachers are the architects of our success and the catalyst of our personal growth. They grant us freedom from the constant of ignorance, prejudice, and social challenges. They provide us with the tools to rise above societal barriers and become our best selves. Standing here delivering this speech, I am filled with immense gratitude for our teachers, those passionate, innovative, and trustworthy individuals who dedicated their lives to our education. Your impact is immeasurable and your commitment is unmatched. On this special day, let us express our deepest thanks to our teachers, those passionate, innovative, and trustworthy, and pray for that. May Allah God bestow His immense grace upon them. Thank you so much for listening my speech.
As silent as ocean. As silent as एक word है prejudices. So when I heard this word now first time when I was teaching the standard 9 एक poem में ये word, I was confused ये कौन सा word है. चलो let's we move fast. इनामात बहुत सारे मुंतजिर हैं यहाँ. Jasmine, you came late.
Yes, miss. Respected principal, diligent teachers, beloved audience, and all my dear colleagues, compatriots, and classmates. Today, as we gather under the tricolor fluttering against the azure sky, we are reminded the immortal word of Jawaharlal Nehru. At the stroke of midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to the life and freedom. This day, etched in the annals of history, marked the fusion of countless sacrifices, unwavering determination, and an indomitable spirit. 77 years ago, our great nation broke the cycles of colonial rule and emerged a sovereign entity, a beacon of hope and a harbinger of peace in a world fraught with division and discord. The path of freedom was not a bed of roses, but a thorny trail fraught with trials and tribulation. Our forefathers, armed with the might of non-violence and the weapon of truth, fought valiantly, and the echoing of sentiment of Mahatma Gandhi. Strength does not come from physical capacity. It comes from an indomitable spirit. Thank you.
First name मेरी आफरीन खातून. नहीं, so they were there, but according to prepare is that here Afrin Khan. Yes, start.
कि वक्त भी सिखाता है और टीचर भी, कि वक्त भी सिखाता है और टीचर भी, बस फर्क उन दोनों में इतना है कि टीचर सिखाकर इम्तिहान लेता है और वक्त इम्तिहान लेकर सिखाता है. I am very much sure one day I shall become the most worthy person of the world. But I won't be payback to all my respected teachers. Respected teachers and all my dear colleagues. Today is the greatest day of my life. Now you all must be thinking, why is the day so great? What is so important about today? But today is the Teacher's Day. It is my lifetime achievement to deliver a speech towards my epitome of the strength. I mean to all my respected, trustworthy and passionate teachers. गुरु का महत्व कभी होगा ना कम, भले ही कर ले कितनी उन्नति हम. कि गुरु का महत्व कभी होगा ना कम, भले ही कर ले कितनी उन्नति हम. वैसे तो है इंटरनेट पर हर प्रकार का ज्ञान, वैसे तो है इंटरनेट पर हर प्रकार का ज्ञान, पर अच्छे बुरे की नहीं है उसे पहचान. Dear listeners, learning will never stop. Yes, I repeat, learning will never stop. Imagine if this world becomes heaven, everyone going there and living happily. But there is not a single teacher living there. So, would you go and live in that world? Is anyone amongst you is ready to go and live in that heaven? It is only a teacher who instills, transport confidence in young minds, who gives us direction towards a successful world. Teacher is not only a guru or guide, but also a kingmaker. Teaching has always been considered as the most sacred and noble profession. If you find the entire dictionary to find out the word or phrase to appreciate, to gratitude, to admire your teacher, I am sure no one will get that word. The world without teachers is like ocean without water, sky without clouds. Last but not least, if you want to make your teachers happy, do good and great works. In this auspicious day, I pray to Almighty Allah, may He shower His immense blessings on our teachers. Thank you. I am very much sure one day I shall become a most worthy person of the world, and I am very much sure that I won't be able to pay back to my all respected teachers. शिक्षक नहीं बताते कि क्या सोचना है, शिक्षक नहीं बताते कि क्या सोचना है, बल्कि ये सिखाते हैं कि कैसे सोचना है. Honorable Judge, respected teachers and precious audience, I am Sheikh Arshi Fatima, a student of Nice English School from Standard 9th. Today is the greatest day of my life. You must be thinking, why is the day so great? You must be thinking, there is no Independence and Republic Day. But you all are wrong. Today is the real Independence Day because today is a Teacher's Day. It is the teachers who gives us freedom from the clutches of social illness, from the social problems, and yes, of course, it is the only teachers who instills and imparts confidence in young minds. For me, it is a lifetime achievement to deliver a special speech to express my deepest gratitude to the epitome of strength. I mean to all my respected teachers. जीवन के हर अंधेरे में रोशनी दिखाते हैं आप, जीवन के हर अंधेरे में रोशनी दिखाते हैं आप. जब बंद हो जाए सब दरवाजे, नया रास्ता दिखाते हैं आप. सिर्फ किताबी ज्ञान नहीं, सिर्फ किताबी ज्ञान नहीं, जीवन जीना सिखाते हैं आप. Dear listeners, learning will never stop. Yes, learning will never ever stop, and it will happen only due to teachers and only teachers and only teachers. Imagine if this world becomes heaven and every person living happily, by there is not a single teacher in that world, then who would go and live there? Is there anyone amongst you people to stay in that heaven? It is the only teacher who to transmit the skills and knowledge in young legs. The world without teachers like an ocean without water. The world without teachers like a sky without clouds. Least but not last, if we will search the entire dictionary to find a word to thanks, to gratitude, to admire our teachers, I am sure no one will get that word or phrase to appreciate our teachers. We can only try to make our teachers happy by doing good and great works. गुमनामी के अंधेरे में था पहचान बना दिया, गुमनामी के अंधेरे में था पहचान बना दिया, जीवन के गम से मुझे अनजान बना दिया. उनकी ऐसी कृपा हुई, गुरु ने मुझे एक अच्छा इंसान बना दिया. In this auspicious day, I pray to Almighty Allah, may Allah shower His immense blessing on our teachers. Ameen. Thank you.
She was crying yesterday. She was telling my parents is not here and I will not be given a chance to deliver his speech. इसके फादर ने मुझे बोले सर आप इसके चाचा दादा दादी जो बनना है बनना. मैंने बोला कोई बात नहीं, आई विल बी देयर.
ये तो बताओ क्या बने.
दादा लेकिन बोल क्या है वन माइंड. मराठी वाला दादा लेकिन वो छुट्टी. I will also words to make you fun, you know, and उतना humorous चाहिए आप लोग क्या दिन. चाचा बन जाओ. Yes, start please.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. A very good morning to all of you. Respected principal, diligent teacher, beloved audience, and all my dear colleagues, competitors, and classmates. I am Uwais Iqbal Sheikh, a student from Nice English School, and I am studying in Standard 7. Today, I got a golden chance to prove myself by delivering the speech on Shivaji Maharaj. So, let us begin. Who is Shivaji Maharaj? Shivaji Maharaj was born in 1630. Shivaji Maharaj was Indian warrior who laid down the foundation of the Maratha ruler. And the empire of Maratha ruler. Shivaji Maharaj was a great freedom fighter. He many battles win the many battles. And like the battle of Pratapgarh. In the battle of Pratapgarh, he fought how they defeat the Pratapgarh. He combat and engage a team with Adil Shahi and Commander Afzal Khan and the soldiers of the Maratha ruler Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj beat very nicely and he defeat very great and awesomely. Thank you for listening my speech and thank you so much. अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू. लिख रहा हूँ मैं अंजाम जिसका कल आगाज आएगा. लिख रहा हूँ मैं अंजाम जिसका कल आगाज आएगा. मेरे लहू का हर एक कतरा इनकलाब लाएगा. Good morning to everyone. Respected principal, diligent teachers, beloved audience, and all my dear colleagues, compatriots, and classmates. I am Muhammad Adan Iqbal and I look forward to sharing this time with you. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was a visionary leader and a pioneer of modern education in India. Born on October 17, 1817 in Delhi, he played a crucial role in bridging the gap between the British and Indian communities during the 19th century. Sir Syed recognized the importance of education in empowering the Indian population. He believed that modern scientific education was essential for the progress of Muslims in India. To achieve this, he founded the Muhammad and Anglo-Oriental College in Aligarh, which later became Aligarh Muslim Universities. This institution aimed to provide contemporary education while preserving Islamic values, thus preparing students to compete in the modern world. Apart from his contribution to education, Sir Syed was a prolific writer and a reformer. He authored numerous books and essays on a variety of subjects, including history, politics, and religion. His work Asarus Sana is a remarkable documentation of the historical monuments of Delhi. सबूत क्या दूं तुझे मेरी वतन परस्ती का, के सबूत क्या दूं तुझे मेरी वतन परस्ती का, पानी ना हो तो वजू इसी मिट्टी से करता हूं. In conclusion, how quickly we have forgotten the true freedom fighter who sacrificed everything for us. Their struggles are now overshadowed as if they didn't matter. We have allowed their legacy to fade, a betrayal of the freedom they secured. दिल से निकलेगी ना मरकर भी वतन की उल्फत, ये दिल से निकलेगी ना मरकर भी वतन की उल्फत, मेरी मिट्टी से भी खुशबू वफा आएगी. In last and before leaving the stage, I want to speak one शायरी for Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. मैं अकेला ही चला था जाने बे मंजिल, के मैं अकेला ही चला था जाने बे मंजिल, मगर लोग साथ आते गए और कारबा बनता गया. Thank you so much for listening my speech and words patiently and happily. Jazakallah wa sanal jaza.
Very good. Thank you. अकेले ही चले थे जानिबे मंजिल, मगर लोग आते गए कारवां बनता गया. वेरी गुड. मॉड्यूल क्या है? नीड ऑन वर्क. Yes, yes, light is on you, everything is on you. Come on, burn the stage.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Listen, sound.
गुलाब, खाब, दवा, जहर, जाम क्या क्या है? गुलाब, दवा, जहर, जाम क्या क्या है? मैं आ गया हूँ, बता इंतजाम क्या क्या है? Respected principal, diligent teachers, beloved audience, and all my dear colleagues, compatriots, and classmates. Today, as we gather under the tricolor fluttering against the azure sky, we are reminded of the immortal words of Jawaharlal Nehru. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. This day, etched in the annals of history, marks the fusion of countless sacrifices, unwavering determination, and an indomitable spirit. आप लोग जो इतनी मोहब्बत से यहाँ पे आए हैं, इस मंच पर बैठे हैं, इसलिए मैं आप सब के लिए एक शेर कहना चाहूंगा कि किसने दस्तक दी ये दिल पर, कौन है? किसने दस्तक दी ये दिल पर, कौन है? मेरे दिल में तो आप सब है, बाहर कौन है? 77 years ago, our great nation broke the shackles of colonial rule and emerged as a sovereign entity, a beacon of hope and a harbinger of peace in a world fraught with division and discord. The path to freedom was not a bed of roses, but a thorny trail fraught with trials and tribulations. Our forefathers, armed with a might of non-violence, strength of truth, and fought valiantly, echoing the sentiment of Mahatma Gandhi. Strength does not come from physical capacity, it comes from indomitable will. Today, as we stand on the shoulders of giants like Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, and Sarojini Naidu, let us remember that our independence was not won in a day, but through decades of struggle. Our freedom fighters, the blood, sweat, and tears, of our freedom fighters, the tree of liberty. Today, our beloved nation stands as a testament to his resilience and unity in diversity. Our great nation broke the shackles of colonial rule. Thank you so much.
स्पीच आएगी उर्दू में स्पीच आएगी अल्लाह के रसूल के ऊपर इन्होंने स्पीच तैयार की वो सुनिए।
जाने से पहले मैं एक शेर कहना चाहूंगा। किराएदार थोड़ी है जाती मकान, किराएदार है हम जाती मकान थोड़ी है, किराएदार है हम जाती मकान थोड़ी है, यहाँ की मिट्टी में सभी का खून है। हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई ये किसी के बाप का हिंदुस्तान थोड़ी है।
अल्लाह के रसूल के ऊपर एक स्पीच बनाया है उर्दू में, बहुत अच्छी स्पीच, हम लोग उसको सुनेंगे इंशाल्लाह। ये वो बच्चे हैं ना जो कभी भी कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं, इनके लिए कोई अभी चीज मायने नहीं रखती। डर निकल गया स्टेज पे। यस मोइन।
औकात नहीं है आंख से आंख मिलाने की और बात करते हो तुम नाम मिटाने की। हेलो एवरीवन, मे आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन प्लीज। टीचर, डू यू नो हु इज मौलाना हजरत मोहानी? ओके, I will say about Maulana Hasrat Mohani. Maulana Hasrat Mohani was a remarkable figure in Indian history. He was born in 1875 in Unnao, Uttar Pradesh. Maulana Mohani was multifaceted personality, a poet and advocate for social justice. Maulana Mohani's commitment to social justice was unwavering. Maulana Mohani said one time, कौन कहता है मौत आई तो मर जाऊंगा, कि कौन कहता है मौत आई तो मर जाऊंगा, मैं दरिया हूँ जनाब समुंदर में उतर जाऊंगा। Which has left a lasting memory in the world of literature. His pen name is Hasrat, meaning desire or longing for depth of emotion. Maulana Mohani's commitment to social justice was unwavering determination. In conclusion, Maulana Hasrat Mohani was a true patriot, a visionary poet. Every remarkable Maulana Hasrat Mohani was true patriot and champions in social justice. बहती है ये प्रेम की गंगा बहने दो, क्यों करते हो देश में दंगा रहने दो, लाल हरे रंगों में हमको मत बांटो, कि लाल हरे रंगों में हमको मत बांटो, छत के ऊपर एक तिरंगा रहने दो। ना मुझसे टकराए कोई चीन हो या जापान, ना मुझसे टकराए कोई चीन हो या जापान, अमेरिका हो रूस हो चाहे हो वो पाकिस्तान, मेरे भारत से टकराना खेल नहीं आसान, मेरे भारत से टकराना खेल नहीं आसान, क्यों ये ख्वाजा का देश है, इसका नाम है हिंदुस्तान। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर लिसनिंग।
Judge is happy now. Judge is the most happy now. सब बच्चे लोग के लिए सब all everything. He has done everything. These boys are done everything. We have not guided them. Yes, start please.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning everyone. I am Sheikh Al-Baksh Anwar, a student of Nice English School. Today, I am excited to share some important thoughts with you. Let's dive to explore the values of freedom fighters. बिस्मिल्लाह से हो इब्तिदा मेरी, कि बिस्मिल्लाह से हो इब्तिदा मेरी, तुम सदा खुश रहो दुआ है मेरी। Today, as we gather under the tricolor, floating against the azure sky, we are reminded of the immortal words of Jawaharlal Nehru. When the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. This day, etched in annals of history, marks the fruition and countless sacrifices, unwavering determination and indomitable spirit सकता। 77 years ago, our great nation, the broke shackles of the colonial rulers, emerged sovereign entity, beacon of hope, a harbinger, a piece of world fraught with division and discord. The path of freedom was not born in a roses, but a thorny trees and revolution. Our forefathers, armed with the might of non-violence and the weapon truth, fought voluntarily, echoing the statement of Mahatma Gandhi. Strength does not come from physical capacity, it comes from indomitable will. As we stand of our shoulders, giants like Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, and Sarojini Naidu, let us remember that our independence was not won in a day, but because the struggle, sweat, and tears of freedom fighters must have watered the tree of liberty which we now burst under. As Thomas Paine's voice remarked, those who expect to reap the blessings of freedom must, like men, undergo the fatigue of supporting it. In conclusion, let us honor our past to celebrate our present, embrace future with optimism and vigor. Together, let us endeavor to craft an India only for the upholds of its wonder the world by example. वो हंस के मर गए अपने देश की शान के लिए, वो हंस के मर गए अपने देश की शान के लिए, अफसोस हम आज भी लड़ रहे हैं रोटी कपड़े और मकान के लिए। थैंक यू।